Weather Watch 4, your most dependable forecast.
19 minutes after the hour, you will have to hold on to that hat with two hands today. It is whipping up out there, especially across the Niagara frontier. And as we check the satellite picture, we have some weather changes in store again for this Thursday after an exceptionally gorgeous day. I thought yesterday, definitely on the breezy side, but it was great to see that bright blue sky, almost a cloudless sky, I think, from start to finish yesterday. We probably had about 100% of the possible sunshine for Wednesday. Not so today. Clouds are moving at us out of the southeast. The leading edge of the clouds now starting to drop down to the north shore of Lake Erie and right up into the northwest corner there in Niagara County, and they'll continue to work southeastward this morning, so clouds will be on an increase, and we will start to see some rain showers develop as well as lake effect comes into play around here today. Cooler air working into the region. We're at the high temp for the day right now with readings well into the 50s. About 57 degrees will do it at 8 or between 8 and 9 a.m. this morning. By lunchtime, we're down to 53 degrees, and I think some lake effect rain showers will be developing around the city, and especially to the northeast of the city by that time. Those rain showers should sink southward this afternoon into the ski country. So it looks to be drier, at least for the trip home later this afternoon. But by then, the temperature is going to be dropping off into the 40s. So we're definitely cooling down as expected. We talked about this yesterday. As we head up to NT right now, tranquil start to the day up there. Dry pavement, no rain coming down yet. But you may be on the northern fringe of some of that lake effect rain shower activity that we're expecting across the area today. Super Microcast shows the clouds gathering in our sky this morning. Then the band of lake effect rain sets up through the metro areas to the northeast. You can see the motion on it here sinking to the south, down into the ski country for the afternoon. So you folks down here in the southern tier, northern tier counties of PA, you get into it this afternoon. And then it continues across those areas overnight, at least some scattered rain showers, and it turns cold enough that even a few wet flakes will mix in, especially close to the Pennsylvania line and maybe even off to the east of Buffalo in the hills. And that will linger into the morning hours tomorrow, then start to wind out Friday afternoon as we dry up for most of the weekend. It looks pretty dry now for Saturday and also for Sunday for the trick-or-treaters. Some good news there, and the temperatures actually bounce back slightly. As we check out your high temp forecast this afternoon, well, the computer is suggesting 40s here, and I think what it's kind of disregarding is the fact that we're well into the 50s right now, but it's suggesting that we're going to drop into the 40s this afternoon, especially by later this afternoon. That's going to be the case, maybe even mid-40s down along the Pennsylvania line by later this afternoon. Same goes at Jamestown, 45 and 47 up toward Hamburg. Increasing clouds on the highways north and west of the city this morning. You'll sneak in a little bit of sunshine south and east, but that's going to be fading as well. 58 right now in Buffalo, 52 at Jamestown, 51 at Bradford, and Wellsville, you're at 54. Here's your forecast details for this Thursday. Increasing clouds and turning cooler today. Rain showers developing in the metro by midday and shifting southward this afternoon. A windy day. Temperatures in the 50s. That's the high happening right now. But again, the readings drop into the 40s by late afternoon. For the overnight, mostly to partly cloudy. Scattered rain showers in the ski country mixed with some snowflakes, 34 to 39. Then tomorrow, look for a few more rain and snow showers in the higher terrain, mainly during the morning hours. Otherwise, partly sunny, quite breezy, cool, 44 to 48. And on Saturday, partly sunny with highs edging into the low 50s. And pretty much the same story to wrap up the weekend for trick-or-treaters on Sunday. We got the pumpkin going on there. High temp of 53 degrees.